Hey, I greet you from wherever you are tuning in. I do remember very well when I uploaded the wig tutorial, how to do a wig from Moroccan cows. These are the cows here, the ones I did the wig out of, and I've uploaded videos about Moroccan cows, how to do Moroccan cows, this hairstyle. Now these are the cows. I'm going to teach how to twist them. These ones here are the cows when they are not yet twisted. As you can see here, they are just splitted. This is how they look after splitting them. Here they are not twisted. I'm going to teach you how to twist Moroccan cows, and you can do for yourself. You can make wigs, you can have your own clients and braid them so well. If they wanted this hairstyle, just watch me what I'm going to do right now. This is how they twist Moroccan cows. Actually, it's not only Moroccan cows they can twist like this, but most of the hairstyles like spring twist, you've seen me post most of the videos about twisted hairstyles, and normally they are crochet twisted hairstyles that I've been showing you how they do. Now copy me how I do it here. This is how they do passion twist, this is how they do Moroccan curls, this is how they do spiral curls, and I have really uploaded most of these videos, most of these hairstyles, and they are so trending. This is how they twist them. Forget about the other old-fashioned way of twisting where they make it so tight. No, this is simply convoluting the two sides of the strand, or the two parts of the strand. You bring them together. I can call it twisting, but it's not the other traditional twisting where it is made so tight. This strand has to be a little bit loose, as you see me do here. You don't exert a lot of force or energy in your strand when you're twisting them, or when you're convoluting them, or when you're entangling it to make it one strand. You just use a little energy, as you see me doing here. By the way, I am JK, the CEO and a hair specialist at Hair Crown UG. I love you all from wherever you are tuning in, and thank you for loving this channel. Remember, we are on a mission of making it 10,000 subscribers. I really request you, for it's your first time to tune in this channel, or maybe you've been here before but you haven't yet subscribed. Please do support this channel. Please do support us as Hair Crown and subscribe this channel. And please, after subscribing, click on the notification bell, like, share, comment this channel or any video you find on this channel, because all these videos, most of them are educative, are informative, and they'll help you in one way or the other getting all the information about hair. Now our twists, we are going on with our video. As you see us doing here, these are the strands already made, the curls already made. They are called Moroccan curls. They are so trending, and if in case you want to have a similar hairstyle of these strands of the Moroccan curls or the spiral curls or any other, please can contact us, and our number is here. It is +256 779 89 42 59. We are going on. You can make a wig out of this, and when you go into my previous videos this week, I posted a video how to do this wig, a wig made out of these strands, or made out of these crochet curls. You can learn how to make a wig, and these are the braids I used to make the previous video of a wig, a crochet wig. Some of you might be asking yourselves, how did I come up with these curls that I'm twisting? I used a braid, a crochet braid. It's called Gina. You just split it into small curls. You apply oil and split it into small curls, and then you twist them to come up with this result you're seeing here. These already twisted here on the side, and you're gonna see them fully when they are twisted well. When I'm done with all of them at the end of this video, just stick with me. And by the way, mind you, a few years, I think it's 2 years or 3 or 1.5, I uploaded the video about splitting these curls. The video is already there. You can just go into my previous videos. You will find this video if you don't know how to split these curls, but it's very easy. You just apply oil, you get your braids, your crochet braids, and you apply oil, and after apply oil you soften them, and then you try splitting the size that you want. This smaller size looks so beautiful, but you can even split a little bit bigger size according to your wish. Yes, here we go. Let's go. Keep together with me. And if you have any questions, if you don't understand anything, make sure you go into the comment section and let me know. I will answer you as soon as I see your message. These are the curls. They are already twisted. I feel like leaving you enjoy the rest of the video. You're gonna see the curls very well when I'm done with them. And when we're twisting them, and we use a thread, we just put up a thread and we twisted them. That thread helps us in having them together, and then in leaving a hole. There's a hole up there. That hole is where you pass or you make your crochet hook through when you are crocheting this hair on a person. So that's the use of that thread, because someone might say, why don't I do these curls when they are not on a thread? The thread helps us to leave a hole which enables us when you are crocheting using a crochet hook. It helps us to lock them well into the cornrows. I send greetings to all my friends in different countries. And these curls, by the way, I'm doing them on order. They are going. Someone is traveling with them because the things are not so common. These curls are not so common. In some countries, they don't even know how to do them. So she had to make her order for me to make these curls for her, and I told her how the person is going to do the cornrows for these curls. Let me stop here. See you in another video tomorrow. These are the curls already made. I love you. Bye bye.